Welcome. If you're looking to upload your favorite photos or videos to Pinterest but keep running into access issues, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to allow Pinterest to access your photos and videos on your phone step by step and fully updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's Settings app. This is the hub where you control all your phone's permissions and preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps or, on some devices, it might be called App Management. Tap on it to open a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through your apps or use the search bar at the top to quickly find Pinterest. Once you spot it, tap on the Pinterest app to open its settings page. Here, you'll see a variety of options for managing how Pinterest interacts with your device. Next, look for the option called Permissions. This is where you can control what Pinterest can access, like your camera, contacts, and most importantly, your photos and videos. Tap on Permissions to see the full list. Here comes the key step: find photos and videos in the list. On some phones, it might just say Photos, Media, or Storage. Tap on this option, and you'll see choices for how much access Pinterest has. Select Allow or Allow access to photos and videos. This ensures Pinterest can upload, save, and share your favorite moments without any hiccups. Once you've set this permission, you can exit Settings and head back to Pinterest. Try uploading a photo or video now, and you should see everything working smoothly. If you ever want to change these settings, just repeat these steps and adjust the permissions as needed. Keeping your app permissions up to date helps you stay in control of your privacy while enjoying all of Pinterest's creative features. That's it. You're all set to pin, share, and create without any barriers. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.